As I have shared in the last lesson that in dynamics, details of the laws of force are specified. We recognize that mass is a property of an object that resists change in motion. Also, we identify the forces acting on a body in different cases and describe how the motion of a body is affected by the forces acting on it. Kindly refer to my lectures on Newton's 3 laws of motion. I have given the link in description below. We also study motion of a freely falling body and that the weight of a body is equal to the product of its mass m and the acceleration of free fall small g. And relate derived unit to base units in the SI system and use base units to check the homogeneity of an equation. Also, we study motion through fluids and air, contact forces and upthrust. We use a range of prefixes in dynamics. The prefix comes before the unit. As an example, in the unit mm, millimeter, the first m is the prefix milli and the second m is the unit meter. A table of prefixes is given in the next slide. Here you may see different multiples and submultiples, and you must take care when choosing prefixes.